Today, I almost ordered takeout because I was tired and the kids were hungry, and my husband were also hungry. Well, are you one of those moms that their kids are, you don't know what to cook when your kids is hungry? Well, I'm one of them. You are not alone. I'm with you. But then I look at my kitchen and I look at my book, meal menu for busy mom, and I found this simple ingredients, and I ended up making one of the easiest and most delicious meals for my kids, and they love it. It was so delicious. If you're a busy mom like me and sometimes wonder what you're going to cook, what am I going to cook today? This video is for you. Don't just scroll, just watch this video to the finish line, and you'll also learn one or two things. Then this recipe is for your family. You will learn this recipe and you make it for your family. Trust me, your family will love it. That will love it because it's vegetable stew. Who wouldn't love vegetable stew with rice? They will love it. So the ingredients is simple.